Friends, welcome to Wow Word Wednesday. Make sure you have your Wow Word diagram drawn in your notebook so that you are ready to get started. And then let's go ahead and dive in. Let's learn what our wow word is today. Oh, so we have a word with a prefix on it today. All right, our word today is overfill, overfill. And this word actually is kind of a compound word, meaning two words put together to make a new one, because over is a real word and fill is a real word. So together it is a compound word, but we're also going to look at over as the prefix. So our prefix is going to be over, and that means too much. If something is over, it is too much. Our root word then would be fill, and that means to put in as much as can be held. You filled the jar, so you only put in as much as can be held in the jar. I filled my coffee mug. I only put in as much as can be held. I don't want to put too much or too little, filling it up. So over meaning too much and fill meaning holding it, if I put it together, overfill means that I put too much in the item that can be held. So if I'm pouring coffee and I don't pay attention, I might overfill my mug, which means coffee comes out of the tap. Or I could overfill the sink, which means the water flows out of the sink. It comes over the top of it. Here are some other words that use the prefix over. We have overcook. So we cook it for too long. It makes it dry or burned. Overstuff. Sometimes when people are making pillows, they stuff them with the feathers, and if you overstuff it, you can't close it. So it's coming out. Overprotect. This is a word that we use a lot of times with parents. They might overprotect, meaning not letting their kids go anywhere. They're very protective of keeping them safe all the time. Or overpay. I pay too much for something. That's never a good thing. So now you know if you put the word over in front of another word, it adds on and takes whatever it was to the next level to show that it is too much. All right, tomorrow we will be coming together to review before your test on Friday. I will see you then.